And welcome back to DIY Willy. Today is a good day. I'm excited about today. The project we're going to work on. See, even Spike is excited. This is going to be my third video for Tool Tuesday, I believe. This is actually Tuesday. I'm making it. It won't be out till next Tuesday because it takes a while to put the video together. But yeah, I'm excited to have this. I've wanted one for some time, and well, I've wanted one since Harbor Freight came out with it, and I saw it on YouTube and I saw it advertised. It's their heavy-duty welding fabrication table with toolkit, and I checked day after day after day for one to come into my local Harbor Freight, and it just never did. They never got one in my area. There was always one or two, I don't know how many, in different locations near me, but never at my local Harbor Freight. So I never got one, but I checked daily. So since one never came into my local Harbor Freight, I decided to check online and see what I could find. And lo and behold, I found the exact same table with the toolkit, sold by, I guess the brand name is Klutch, and it's sold out of Northern Tool. Northern Tool. So I ordered it up from Amazon. It was few dollars more than Harbor Freight's kit or table, but I have it. So yeah, with that said, let's get in there and look at this table. So here it is. Klutch heavy duty welding fabrication table with fit up kit. It's got everything that I'm assuming the Harbor Freight has, even the shorter adjustable legs, the longer legs. You know, it I gotta believe it's the same item. So I'm excited to have it, and yeah, let's get it put together and check it out. All right, let's get this box open, check it out. Like I said, I'm really excited to get this. I've been wanting a weld table for some time. I've been using my plastic table to weld on and fit up everything, and this is just going to be such a great piece added to the shop. Looks packaged very nicely. Look, it's even numbered 1, 2, 3. It's interesting. It says I 1, 2, and 3. Here's some instructions. We'll get those out here in a minute. Get rid of all this packaging. We got to look at the instructions here, and what we need to do to assemble it. It's all that. Oh, serial number. Guess for warranty. Got a year warranty on it. We're definitely going to be putting the tall legs on it. I would have liked to eventually put some caster wheels on it to roll it around if I could find some good heavy duty metal ones. All right, that looks easy enough. Yeah. Alrighty. With that said, let's get it put together. Go ahead and take all the parts out. This is the middle section. Assuming these are the legs. Yeah. These are the tall legs, which is what we're going to be using. Nice powder coat. Powder coat looks really good. Nice and even. Alright, so taking a look at the instructions, after reading through it a little bit, we are going to attach the little short legs, but we're not going to put the adjustable feet on. Once you have the short legs on, then the taller legs go over the short legs. You see that in the picture? So I'm going to do that right now. Hardware seems to be 1/2 inch. I'm going to zap all the legs in, and then we'll be ready to put the center section in and flip it over. Really simple. All right, now the centerpiece or the lower support just kind of goes in, clips inside here. I'm sure when it's turned on the other way, it's going to sit and tighten up on the wedge style hole. Now the leveling legs, what do you want to call them? They just screw right in. We'll level the table later, and then it's got a jam nut to secure it. I did notice that the powder coating is on the threads and it gets a little bit tight. So we may have to get a wrench to turn them in the first time. Run them in and out to clear the powder coating. But that one went really easy. Now we'll just get them set in here. We'll set them all the same height. And we'll flip the table over and look at the tools. Oh, see, this one went in really good too. I think we'll set them at like 2 inches maybe. And then lock them down, set all of them at 2 inches. We'll check it out. Alright, so we've got it all together. I'm not sure if the last part I tried to record worked out. I might have had it on time-lapse still. But if not, we'll edit it in. So I've got all the legs tightened down. I dropped the center section in. It goes in at the large top. When you flip it over, it's going to come down and settle in right here in the lower part of the triangle or the V, whatever you want to call it. I set all the legs just for my own preference. It didn't give me any directions in the instructions. I just figured I'd make it simple and set all the legs at 2 inches height and then lock them down with the jam nut. And now I'm ready to get the hardware together, flip it over, and check it out. I think it's going to look really good. Really excited to have this. So yeah, let's do that. I didn't know if I would have enough washers to put washers on the outside. It doesn't really say in the instructions. It just says bolt 6 and 7, or part 6 and 7, which is the bolt and the nut. So I would have had enough washers to use the washers on the outside, and it probably would have looked a little neater. But I went ahead and I did it without not knowing if I had enough. I could have taken all the hardware out and counted, maybe, and seen that I had enough. But now I have some extra washers. So, no problem. It'll be fine. Now, I'm sure this thing is heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. So let's see. Oh, it's not that bad. Urgh. Famous last words. Here we go, here we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Oh. I got some plastic and paper in there. That's gonna burn. Smell funny. And the oil coating is probably gonna smell funny as it burns. I probably want to keep it oiled with like some WD-40 or something now and then, so it doesn't get really big rust spots. Really like it. Pretty level. It's a little bit off, but you could adjust that with the feet. A little bit wobbly. My concrete is also not level. Where this crack is right here on the floor, it actually, the concrete goes like that. So that's understandable. It's much better on just on one side. I like it. I like it a lot. Pretty firm. Coming in clutch. Yeah, I like it. Let me get the accessories out and we'll check out the accessories, all the tools that come with it. Here's a look at the table, all the accessories that come with it. Everything looks pretty good. I'll go through and explain what I believe they how they work and kind of demonstrate them if I can. These are to hold like round stock. Here, let me get a pipe. These are to hold round stock. Like you can put it like this and then put one of these clamps over here and hold the round stock down if you're cutting or welding or any of that sort, and you can put them in any configuration that you need them in. They'll pretty much go in any hole, you know, and you could set up and align them wherever you needed, you know. However, the pipe went like this, you know, you would have all that adjustability. Then you've got these that are like stops. So if you have them in the holes like this and you have material, of course it would probably be flat bar, but it could be round stock, and you could put them in like this and clamp the material down. It would hold it in place. You could also use these to raise the height if you needed to. For the material that goes in here, you could double them up and put like a flat bar on top. There's lots of different ways that you can use this. It's got these pieces here. These are magnetic. So what this does is hold on the bottom. It goes in the bottom, clips in like that, and it makes the hole a threaded hole. Now for this bolt, I think it's a 3/8 hole. So now what you can do is take one of these or one of these, either way, and you make another stop for the material to rest against. Or if you have a rest like this, you can set it in there. It can be adjustable however you need it for a backstop rest to stop material. It's adjustable slot this way, so you can go like that, whatever. It's lots of ways to hold your material. It's a very versatile kit. There's a lot of pieces here. I'm thinking about getting like an ammo can that I can attach to the side right here or underneath on the table to store all these parts so I don't lose them. A lot of little pieces, I tend to lose stuff when I don't have a way to keep track of it, and this is a lot of parts. So let's take a look at these. These are adjustable this way. Let's see, let's bring one of these over. A couple of these. And we'll bring this piece of tubing over and we'll set this clamp. Now we can go in there and set our height. Right there, see? That'll hold the material. And we could set this other one over here. They're pretty easy to install. You just unscrew the bottom right here, stick it in the hole, raise the clamp, stick it in the hole, and then rethread the nut on the bottom. And they'll lock in the hole. It's pretty simple. And then just set the clamp down where you need it to firmly hold the part. Now that thing ain't going nowhere. See, the whole table moves, but that part is not moving. I really like the setup. I'm looking forward to learn how to use it better and properly. It's gonna suck the first time I get dingleberries on it and get my own weld scars on it. But hey, that's what it's for, right? It's to weld and hold the parts and make my fabrication better. I really like it. Seems to be pretty well thought out. Like I said, it's pretty sturdy, and I like the height. Right now I have the legs set at 2 inches, and I could easily set them another ½ inch higher or even a little bit lower, and it'll be fine. What I'll probably do right now is I have my drill press and the bandsaw over there, and I'll probably put them up on this table for now because that's what I'm using the most while fabricating parts for the razor, the Baja razor. So I'll probably put those parts back up here once I find a way to store all this. And yeah, and the instructions. I got little ammo cans like that one right there, and that's what I'm thinking about putting it in. I'll get another ammo can, cut a piece of plywood to go underneath here, and just set the ammo can down here with all these accessories. That way I can keep track of them. Wow, I don't know what else to say. This is the Klutch heavy duty welding fabrication table with fit up kit. As you can see, all the parts here. It went together really easy. Just simple bolts. I mean, it literally took me probably 15 minutes to unbox it and package it all together, or bolt it all together. And I like it. I really like it. Like I said, I wanted the Harbor Freight version of this, but they never had it in stock. And well, Northern Tool did have it in stock, and I was able to get it shipped out to me right away. And it was only a couple dollars more, a few dollars more. But that's all the parts for the Klutch heavy duty welding fabrication table. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Please leave a comment about the table. Anything, any suggestions you can have for the parts that are here, or how to preserve it better so it doesn't get all rusty and ugly looking. Anything along those lines. I'll probably buy more clamps just to have more versatility. These tables are designed to put them together and make a larger work area. So I don't know, maybe I'll do that. Eventually I want to get rid of the golf cart and put my welding area over there, but I need to get some 220 plugs and some 120 plugs on that wall over there. I don't have any right now, but that's easy enough. I can take care of that later. I got to get the golf cart done and get it out of here. But yeah, with all that, got off topic a little bit. With all that said, thanks for watching, and come back for more Tool Tuesdays, where we review parts, we unbox them, review them, and assemble them, use them, and have a good time with them. So that was the unboxing and review of the Klutch heavy duty welding fabrication table with fit up kit. And well, that's it for Tool Tuesday episode 3. So I'll see you next time when we're working with this table, welding something or drilling something or doing something with this table. All right, bye.